Hi, good evening everyone. So today I am planning to start from today onward. There is a one video series, one playlist I would say, which is primarily focusing on Gen AI stack understanding for software engineer. Since I have also the similar background from you would say that from earlier 2022, uh, I also do not have any exposure in Gen AI or any large language model or any such kind of like AI or ML in general. I do not have any experience at all, and I also only learning through the many public forum that what is AI ML and how you can use AI in your day-to-day work activity, right? But after 2022, you would say that early 2023, I started picking a little bit about what is large language model, how to deal with these nuances in large language model like fine tuning and other aspects of like compliance and what is the compliance issue in large language model. Why large language model preparation from the scratch is not only difficult, it is very costly affair. Then also like once you build your large language model, since it's a very generically designed or developed, so is this a useful for your most of the work? That is another question which earlier I also feel that this is how much this could be a useful for you. It depends. Like at that time it was not exactly not that much clarity, but now I think when we are sitting around 2024 September, I mean October now. So in October 2024, we will definitely move large set of doubt. We already moved out all those doubts, and now we are very much focused that yes, this technology can help many key area where everybody can contribute for their improvement, right? Either in terms of cost, in terms of performance, in terms of activity, in terms of work, right? So those things are started picking out. One of the key area where software engineer can use this technology is to develop the business cases fast. Earlier, artificial intelligence application development was really a challenging job. There are so many reasons behind it, but those reasons now almost those reasons are now handled, and now computing is very much available. Of course, you have to pay the cost, but it is available, right? Now, today I have a plan to share you my first video on Gen AI, especially for software engineer who wants to learn it and who is sitting at very beginner level right now. They are mostly get benefited with this video. In this video, I will try to cover one application, and that application is I need to build one chatbot, and that chatbot will be based on open source large language model. So there is no attached cost with this large language model. A. B. We are building completely on device. So there is nothing, no API calls, no reference to the server side. So you can, run this application on any device independently, right? And you can use this large language model capability on any device, right? Okay. So today I'm just trying to give you that benefit, that demo, small demo. It's not big deal. It's a small demo, but it is helpful, right? It will give you some intuition that how you can build complete open source on device chatbot. All right, let's move on. So let's go to run the Streamlit app. So I'm running the Streamlit app right now, and yeah, so this is my chatbot, and I want to first question is, who are you? All right, so here is the response of who are you. Little latency. So they are saying that as a helpful assistant, I am here to assist you with any question or task you may have. How can I help you today? All right, let's ask them. I want to understand inter-service communication for system design. Let's see how they are sharing their information on this question. So basically, this is one of the good topics in communication. Right? So but then you will see this kind of behavior. Okay? So here is the response. I can help you to understand inter-service communication. And they defined it, what is inter-service communication. Then they said that inter-service communication is a method of communication between two or more services that are running on different computers or systems. These services can be hosted on different operating systems. All right. And they have explained you types of inter-service communication. Then they also explained you that what is the benefit of ISC. Then they also explained you what is the challenge of ISC. They also told you that how to design an ISC system, identify communication requirement, design the communication architecture, then implement service endpoints, establish communication channels, test and verify. Then additional resource they have shared for you to read it. All right. So this is the response of your buddy bot, right? Let's go back to your code now. Okay. So let's go back to your code. So in code, I can explain you that I have used this Gamma 2B. It is the model which is released by, this is open source model and released by Google. So I have used this model, and then rest of all whatever you are seeing, I have used LangChain mostly and Streamlit for application purpose. LangChain as a framework for application framework, so that whatever the model I am currently assigning, that model can be switched over at any point of time. Suppose tomorrow you want to use some better model like OpenAI or anybody else, then you can also use it very easily, right? I also in the process to build the code in such a way that by just changing the configuration, things are working properly. So any point of time, if you realize that okay, this model is not working, either you can just change into the configuration, it will start working, or you can create the drop down for model selection and you can start working on it by using that model, right? So that way you can get the complete information, and rest all like code. As of now, I will not going to share you these codes, but yes, these codes are available for you on GitHub later in this month, maybe next month, early next month, or maybe this month end, right? So by that time, you can get the GitHub repository link where you can see all these codes and you can download it. As of now, I'm not sharing because I need to improve this code a little bit. As of now, it is just a prototype level. I have to build this code into the production level so that if you are using these codes in your production environment, that will helpful and you will give me the credit for that. Okay. All right. Bye. Thank you. Take care.